Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Highway 2000, the east-west leg. This road was recently renamed the PJ Patterson Highway. Now, this road was or is to run from Kingston to Montego Bay. And today we want to talk about, or I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think it's taking too long for this road to reach Montego Bay? The original plan when this road was envisioned basically back in the late 1990s was to build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay connecting both international airports. Now, the IDB was actually the organization that came up with the idea, and they did the feasibility study, and everything pointed to yes, this road would do well in Jamaica. So they then went and got international persons to bid and went right through the bidding process, and then it came down to 4 companies, and all 4 companies said it would be too expensive to build a road in one go, so break it up into sections. So I should also say this Highway 2000 is to build a road from Kingston to Montego Bay and also from Kingston to Ocho Rios. There was also a plan to build a road from, I think it's Maypen or Mandeville over to Discovery Bay, but that section was scrapped as they said the traffic could go on the north coast via the north-south leg of Highway 2000. And also the Portmore Expressway became a part of Highway 2000. So, and Highway 2000 is a toll road. Everywhere you see Highway 2000, it's a toll road. So the 4 companies that were left in the bidding process said it was too expensive to build a road in one go. So they broke it up into sections. Now, all the other legs have been built except for the Kingston to Montego Bay leg. And currently, as of today, which is early August, the highway goes from Kingston to Maypen. But the Maypen to Mandeville leg is going to open at the end of this month. So we could say the highway now goes from Kingston to Mandeville. But the first section of this highway opened in 2006. It's now 2023 and the highway has not reached Montego Bay yet. Now, it's a toll road, so people pay to use the road. Now, when the foreign company, it was a French company that started, and surprisingly, China Harbour Engineering Company was not one of the bidders for this project. They were not one of the final 4. Very surprising. The reason is they build all the legs of the highway now, but a French company started and they built the highway to Sandy Bay, Kingston to Sandy Bay, and a lot of agreements were signed. Basically, the Jamaican government gives a concession to the company to build the highway, and then they give them the foreign company builds the highway, and then the government gives them a concession to collect toll on the highway to make back the money it costs to build the highway. Now, the Jamaican government gives a guarantee that if for any reason the toll collected cannot make the payment, the minimum payments for the highway, the Jamaican government would step in and make the payment, the difference. So basically, it's guaranteed. So with that in mind, and I must point out, the toll company makes a profit. It actually went public the other day the way they make so much money. So it's not a case where the road is not being used and the toll is a problem. There is toll being collected that covers the cost of the highway, and the Jamaican government has never had to make a payment, read a revenue guarantee. So why is it taking so long to build this highway to Montego Bay? I mean, every leg of the highway has traffic on it. So the sections that are missing now to complete the road is Mandeville to Hodges in St. Elizabeth, then from Hodges to Mount Pelier, and then from Mount Pelier into Montego Bay. And that could take another 10, 12, 15 years at the rate that they're going. And China Harbour Engineering Company can build these roads quite easily, and I must say they do an excellent job. And they are the ones building the Maypen to Mandeville leg. So guys, what do you think? Why do you think it's taking so long to build out this road? And it's not the money, because they collect toll. All you have to do is advance the money, give a revenue guarantee, and build the road. I mean, not advance. A foreign company builds it, and they use the toll to pay back for the building of the road. The system works. So I am asking you guys, what do you think? Why it's taking so long? I think the next leg of the highway they build should go from Mandeville straight into Montego Bay. Just build it in one go. China Harbour Engineering Company can do it. They've proven themselves over and over. Guys, let us know what you think. But it's not a case, well, I shouldn't say that, but I'm curious to hear your opinions on why it's taking so long. But I think this road should have been finished already. It's taking way too long. They're building the sections too small. Even if you want to build the remaining section in 2 goes, build it from Mandeville straight to Mount Pelier, and then Mount Pelier to Montego Bay. But it's taking too long. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Leave your comments in the section below and let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.